Hey everyone, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Suliman and in this video, my very first speaking to this world like this. So before I begin, I want to say I'm truly excited that you're here. I'm a student just like many of you watching. I know what it feels like to be over overwhelmed with schoolwork, to have big goals, and to sometimes feel stuck. But I have also learned some powerful lessons that help me improve in school, in focus, and in life. In this video, I want to talk to you like a friend. No big lecture, just real advice from someone who's been through it. We will talk about school, how to study smart, how phones are secretly ruining your progress, and how books changed my mindset. So, if you are a student who wants to get better, not perfect, just better, you are in the right place. Let's go into it. School is not just a place where we go to pass time. It's a place where we build our future day by day, choice by choice. But many students go to school just because they have to. They sit in the class but they don't truly learn. They wait for the bell to ring instead of waiting to understand. If you want to If you want to be successful, don't just attend, be present. Listen, take notes, ask questions. Even if you're not the smartest in the class, you can still be the most consistent. In school, your teachers give you the map, but only you can talk when you have the permission. But only you can walk the path. Don't worry for exams to start studying. Make a plan, study every day, even for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or 30 minutes. It's not about how much you study, it's about how often you study. Also, surround yourself with your friends who want you to grow. If you sit with the students who always complain, you'll start thinking like them. But if you sit with learners, dreamers, doers, you will become one too. And most importantly, never forget why you go to school. You're building your life, a better one. Today, as you know, the phones has a lot of impact in everybody's life. The bad impact of phones, especially when you're using them in bed or when you're studying, they're disrupting. But the problem. One of the biggest enemies of a student today is right in their hands, the phone. Phones are powerful, they can help us learn, but let's be honest, there are also the biggest distraction. When we sit down to study, we hear a notification and our focus is gone. 1 minute become 10, 10 minutes become an hour. Then you're still using that and nothing gets done. But the worst part is this, that you're using the phone in the bed, using phones in the bed, scrolling late at night, watching random videos, checking messages. It destroys your sleep, your brain, your focus. If you want to study better, start controlling your phone. Turn off notification, put it in another room, set limits and protect time. It's gold. Because it's more valuable than gold. And lastly, I want to say that the books are the most powerful thing in the world. Now, let me tell you something that changed my life than anything else, reading books. Books are not just for school, they're for mind. Every book is like a conversation of a wise person. When you read, you learn, you think, you focus, and you know how to grow. I started reading just a few pages a day. Books like Atomic Habits taught me how to build better routines. The Richest Man in Babylon taught me how to think about the money. And these books are so important that they're making your life and they're changing everything in your life. And thank you for watching this video, and I will be so happy if you like, subscribe in my channel,